This question says, write the following without brackets. You don't have to work out the answer. For example, you have in a bracket, you have a -4 times a +6. But there's an invisible 1. 1 by -4 is -4. 1 by 6 is 6. So that's -4 times 6. Okay, so let's apply this to scenario A. So here we have in a bracket a -9 times a -9. Remember what we said, if you don't see a number outside there, there is an invisible 1. So in this case now, this is just a +1 that's outside there. And here now, that's a +1 that is outside of this bracket. Basically, what you have now is 1 times a -9 is a -9 times a 1 times -9 is a -9. Basically, it's -9 times -9. That is what's going on here. Let's go to scenario B. We have a subtraction sign, open bracket, and a -7 times, in a bracket, you have a -50. Now remember what we said, outside there, you don't see a number, there is a 1. So this, in this case, it's -1. And here, we don't see a number. If we don't see a sign, it's positive, so that's a +1. So technically, what we have in here now on this side is a -1 times a -7. That's 7. A negative times a negative is a positive. And here now we have a +1 times a -15 is a -15. So I left 7 times -15. Let's go to scenario C. For scenario C, in a bracket, we have a -4, close bracket, all square, divided by a minus, in a bracket, now you have a -2. Okay. Now for this here now, -4 squared. Okay. Remember, you said do not work it out. All right. -4 squared is -4 times -4. All right. And then divided by now, we have a -1. There's an invisible -1 there. Let's copy it here. There's an invisible -1 in front of the bracket. A negative times a negative is a +2. So that's divided by a +2. Now a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's basically the same as 4 times 4 divided by 2. It's the same as 4 times 4 divided by 2, because -4 times -4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. Now it said do not work it out. 4 times 4 is the same as 4 squared divided by 2. So without the brackets, this is 4 squared divided by